Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today we will talk about beautiful handmade crafts made with jute rope and burlap bottles and different decorative vases. These crafts are simple, natural and very lovely. They are perfect for home decoration and gifts ideas. Let's explore this amazing craft journey together. Jute rope crafts are becoming very popular because they are natural and eco-friendly. Many people love handmade items because they show creativity and hard work. Jute rope is a very amazing and very different. Jute rope is strong and flexible. It can be used to decorate bottles, jar, baskets and vases. It gives a rustic and natural look. It's a very beautiful, most demanding, different and outstanding articles, new stylish, different collection. And this idea is very useful, very creative, very amazing. Burlap is also a natural fabric. It is made from jute fibers and has a beautiful texture. It looks simple but very stylish. Most beautiful, most demanding, different outstanding articles, different creative collection. Decorative vases made with jute rope and very elegant. They are perfect for artificial flowers and dry flowers arrangement. Handmade vases can be used to decorate living rooms, bedrooms, and office. They create a warm and natural environment. It's a very beautiful, very useful, and different demanding articles, different creative collection. And keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need to your support. Many people use jute crafts, its wedding decorations. They give a vintage and classy look. You can decorate bottles with beads, lace and pearls along with jute rope and they make designs more beautiful. Burlap bottle decoration is perfect for table centerpieces. It looks simple but very eye-catching. Handmade crafts also help reduce plastic waste. Recycling bottles helps protect our environment. Craft making can be a relaxing hobby. It helps reduce stress and improves focus. You can paint bottles before wrapping jute rope. This adds color and beauty to your craft. Jute rope crafts are perfect gift ideas. Handmade gifts show love and effort. Decorating vases can be customized with different colors and designs. You can match them with your home theme. Many small businesses sell jute crafts. These crafts support handmade art and local artists. Thank you so much for listening and supporting handmade crafts. Remember, creativity has no limits. Try this beautiful jute rope and burlap bottle craft at home and share your creativity with others. Thank you so much and thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you in the next video. Stay creative and stay happy. And don't let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, amazing and very decent, highly demanding and very useful jute bottle craft ideas, different burlap craft ideas, different home decoration craft ideas. Most beautiful, most demanding different articles, different collection. And keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need to your support. Hope you like all craft ideas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. It's a very beautiful, amazing, highly demanding and very creative jute craft collection. very beautiful, very gorgeous, very stylish jute collection and jute bottle designs ideas. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, amazing, different noted jute bottle craft, different craft, burlap craft ideas. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. I hope you like all designs and collection. It's a very beautiful, gorgeous, highly demanding and very creative jute collection, jute burlap craft ideas. Thank you so much. Take care and thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like all designs and collection. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. It's a very beautiful, very creative, highly demanding and very useful, decent and amazing jute craft ideas. Take care and goodbye. Thank you. Sorry, no goodbye. It's a very beautiful, amazing, different, highly demanding and recommend jute crafts and different collection, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon and please share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care and please subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.